students, I am Ashwini Shankar, your faculty in Perfection IAS, and today I am going to discuss with you three most important sites in India which are recently included in the UNESCO tentative list of World Heritage Sites, and we will discuss these sites one by one. Okay, let me start the marker. Okay, fine. Therefore, I am going to discuss these three important sites in India which are included recently in the World Heritage Sites one by one. Today, I am going to discuss with you the Sun Temple at Modhera. The Sun Temple at Modhera, which is included in the UNESCO tentative list of World Heritage Sites. There are certain points which you should know about. Sun Temple at Modhera. You see, point number one, Modhera is located in the, where it is located? It is located in the Mehsana district of Gujarat. Mehsana district in Gujarat. This temple is located on the banks of the river Pushpavati. This temple is located on the banks of the river Pushpavati. This temple is built in the year 1026 to 1027 CE during the reign of Bhima I. Please underline this, Bhima I of Chalukya dynasty. Right? And at present, what is the present condition of this site? No worship is offered here. No worship is offered here. Point number one. Point number two, it is a protected monument under the Archaeological Survey of India. Right? Let me repeat it again for you. This site, number one, Sun Temple at Modhera, which is located in Mehsana district of Gujarat. This temple is included in the World Heritage Sites of the UNESCO's tentative list. This one. This temple is located at the banks of the river Pushpavati. It was built under the reign of Bhima I of Chalukya dynasty in the year 1026 to 1027 CE. Now, did our job stop? Did our study stop here? No, let us develop more understanding on this. I am coming to this site. Just a moment. Yes. Now, let us compare this Sun Temple at Modhera with other Sun temples which are present in India. There are two more Sun temples. One is Martand Sun Temple at Kashmir, and second, Konark Sun Temple at Konark in Odisha. Let us compare this. You see, just a moment, let me start the marker. Yes. Now, we will compare Sun Temple at Modhera and then Konark at Odisha and at Kashmir. This is called Martand Sun Temple. Right? Now you see, at Modhera, this temple is different from Konark and from the Kashmir Martand Sun Temple because number one, architectural style. Modhera temple has a architectural style of Maru Gurjara architecture. It is follow Maru Gurjara style of architecture. Right, and as far Martand architecture is concerned, it is a blend of Gupta, and It is a blend of Gupta and Gandhara art, which you have studied in your 11th class medieval NCERT, okay? Gupta and Gandhara style architecture. And this Konark is the example of Kalinga architecture. Right? Point number 1. Another most important point, Modhera's Sun Temple is made up of, point number 1, made up of sandstone. It is made up of sandstone. And other two temples are not made up of sandstone, they are made up of stones. They are made up of stones. Another striking feature in its architecture, Modhera Sun Temple is have a kund. It has a kund, right? So these are the three striking architectural differences between Modhera, Konark and Kashmir Sun Temples, right? Apart from this, if you go more in details of Maru Gurjara style architecture, you will find that this temple has Garbhagriha, Gad Mandapa and Sabha Mandapa and a sacred pool. This is what I have written here, Kund, sacred pool. At present this pool is known as Ramakunda pool, okay? And apart from this, Sabha Mandapa does not form a part of the main body, right? I hope these features will help you in addressing any question coming from this particular heritage site, which is included in the World Heritage List of UNESCO tentative list, okay? Thank you very much for watching this. Keep learning, keep watching, okay? Thanks a lot.